Here's a new 2020 BMW X7, the embodiment of all the tastefulness, quality, and rich history BMW has to offer in one big body. It comes with all the amenities you need. Intercooled turbo i6 engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, multi-zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, heated steering wheel, rear parking sensors, and automatic GPS linked and transmission. BMW, the ultimate driving machine. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Nick Alexander BMW is your premier Los Angeles BMW dealer. We're conveniently located at 6333 South Alameda Street in the Huntington Park neighborhood of Los Angeles.